forks.
Okay, so I definitely wanted to give you an overview of what I have packed. So I already laid out my clothes for in the morning. Let me try to show you the front. This is a Calvin Klein gray and white hoodie, and this is a gray shirt. It's when they go low, we go high. It's a Michelle Obama shirt, and these are just black jeggings, and I have a jacket. So this is my outfit attire, and I make sure I lay out everything. Here's my suitcase that is stuffed to capacity.
72 over by the good folks. And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today. Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band.
Okay, so change of plans. I'm actually going to take everything in this bag. I'm not going to use my pink book bag because I feel like it's a little bit more durable. It's bigger, and I can add more wristlets like this, or, you know.
Get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks. And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.